So if you're looking to improve your productivity this year as an entrepreneur or a content creator, this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amazon. Thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I create videos on lifestyle, social media, and of course natural hair. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to join the family. Hit the bell beside the subscribe button and click on all so you get notified when I bring up new and amazing videos. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to talk about 6 or even more category of apps that you could use to improve your productivity as an entrepreneur or a content creator this year or after a post lockdown. Okay, now you could actually try out these apps while you're still at home so you can get the hang of things when it's time for you to actually venture back into full business. Okay, all right, now the first app I'm going to talk about, it's the graphic and design apps. Now everything is so visual lately, and if you don't have to, or if you do not want to be paying the bigger guys to do your graphic designs for you, you could use apps like Canva and Adobe Spark. Okay, I've tried these two apps and they're pretty amazing. Canva now allows you to do video and animated graphics. Okay, so you can use it for your social media, you can use it for your Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, YouTube, thumbnail and banner. You can use it for your channel art, literally to print your posters, your invitation cards, your announcement cards, your media kit, all of those things. Canva is always my go-to. I use it to create everything down to the thumbnail you already saw on this video. Okay, so Canva and Adobe Spark are really amazing apps that you could use to create graphic and designs. Okay, all right, the next one I'm going to go into is for video editing. If you use Instagram a lot, you know that for your business, videos are an essential part of marketing because everything on that platform is so visual. So you could have apps like InShot, there's Viva Video, there's Filmora Go, there is also KineMaster, and then you have the other ones like iMovies, you have Final Cut Pro. I use KineMaster, Filmora, and InShot mostly lately to edit most of my videos, including this one. Okay, so these apps are pretty easy to use. The user interface is very, how do I call it, very relatable. It's something you could they always have tips on the screen if you're a first time out, and you can just have fun playing around the entire app and trying your hands on one or two things just to get creative. Okay, now all of these apps are going to ensure that you have an amazing visual content when you're done creating. Also, these apps have the very free versions of them. I still use some of the free versions, so you can also use the free version or pay for the pro versions to explore even more functionalities in the app. All right, the next app we're going to talk about are apps for social media, and that is apps that allow you actually plan and arrange your content. There are apps like Unfold, Onum, there is Planoly, and then there is Preview. I've used Planoly, I've used Preview, I've also tried Onum. Onum, yeah, that's what they call it. I'm going to just put it on the screen, okay, so you guys get to see it. And these apps are pretty amazing, especially for scheduling content for your social media. Now, if you don't have all of the time to always come back to Instagram to check what's happening, to want to upload something, and then you have all of your content, all you have to do is just put down those contents on those apps and then schedule them for the time. Use the entire hashtags. Some of them allow you to get hashtags that you could use, like Preview. It allows you to group your hashtags into certain groups. So if you want to use the app, you just go click on a group of hashtags, it pops it up for you, and then you're able to use it. Now when it's time, it just allows an auto update and upload of these contents to your social media platforms. It's pretty amazing, guys, trust me. It saves you a lot of time, and of course gives you so much time to do so much more, right? And that's what we're talking about, productivity right here. Okay, all right, the next app is the app I actually call photo editing apps. If you take a lot of pictures, okay, maybe you're a beauty blogger and the rest of them beauty, lifestyle, travel bloggers, these apps are amazing for creating and taking in-depth photos. Okay, you can also use them to do in-depth editing of your photos. There is Snapseed, there is Lightroom, there's Facetune, and that's what a lot of beauty users and beauty bloggers actually use for their that's what I call it now, the makeup pictures. Okay, so these apps allow you change the background, they allow you create more depth to your pictures, change the temperature, the saturation, all of those things, the contrast and everything. It allows you take out the flaws in the picture, heal the picture, make it look a bit more realistic. But you just put out what would be like your imperfections, you take them out and then make the picture imperfectly perfect. That's the thing. Okay, so now these apps are pretty amazing for taking or editing basic pictures for your social media platforms. All right, now the next app, which is the core of today's topic, is productivity apps. Now these are apps that allow you to do a lot more in lesser time and also allow you focus for several reasons. Now the first app I'm going to talk about is Genuine Scan. So if you're the type of person who gets to work with a lot of people and you create content, you want to write down, or you want to have pictures of every contract you make with everybody, and you're not sure how you want to start going around and trying to scan pictures and scan documents and all of that, Genuine Scan is your app. Guys, this app is amazing. It allows you just simply take a photo of the contract and it saves that photo to your phone in PDF. So you have all of your contracts, all of your documents grouped into one in PDF format automatically. I tried out the app and it's pretty good. I'm going to just put a slide here so you guys get to see a mock-up shot of the app and what it does. It's an amazing app, guys. So Genuine Scan is your go-to. Now the next app I'm going to talk about is called Google Voice. Now if you have two different phone numbers for your businesses and everything, and then you don't want to have too many phones at a point, you could just use Google Voice. Now what Google Voice is going to do for you is that if somebody dials a number of your business, that is your business line, it's going to ring directly on your phone without you getting a second phone. So it allows you know that, okay, this call coming in is not personal, it's actually a business call. So that's what Google Voice does for you. It segments your callers so you're able to know what call comes in from your social media platform, from your business platforms, and also differentiates them from the calls that come in for personal issues or personal activities. Okay, that is amazing, guys. If you don't want to go buying 2-3 phones to handle or take care of your social media or your business needs, basically. Now talking about entrepreneurs, the next app is Freedom app. Freedom app is an app that allows you literally just freeze every other app and close out distractions. So if you want to focus on something, you want to do something with a certain app and you don't want notification popping up from WhatsApp, from Instagram, from Facebook, from TikTok, and the rest of them, Freedom app is the app that's going to allow you freeze these other apps while you're doing what you're doing. So it literally just locks down all the notifications so they don't pop on your screen and allows you to stay focused on what you're doing for the time being. You can actually schedule how long you want this notification to be freezed up, as well as also the reoccurrence. Okay, from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. you don't want to get messages from Instagram because you're probably doing your coaching classes or you're in a webinar of some sort. You use Freedom app to do that. The next app that allows you to do that is also called Focus Keeper. These apps are great apps for productivity because they literally just blank you off away from every other social media distraction while you're focused on what you have to do and then achieve the goal that you've set for your day. Allow Me, on the other hand, is an app that just wakes you up from bed. Okay, so it has amazing tunes and sounds that wakes you up from bed, so that way you're able to just get going and get started with your day early enough. I'm going to talk about apps for meditation. I use Anchor and podcast for meditation. You have a lot of podcasts on the Podcaster, and then there's the other app called Anchor that allows you get some amazing meditation tips and all of that. This morning I stumbled on Oprah and Deepak Chopra. They have the 21-day meditation challenge exercises. I listened to the first day. It's amazing, guys. It's really amazing, especially if you want to stay sane with the entire COVID-19 thing, just messing up the entire world and the program of the world. So that meditation exercise is pretty cool, and you should give it a shot if you just need something that would remind you that all hope is not lost. Okay, so you could give that a head start. Now Headspace is another app for meditation as well, so you might want to check that out too. Now, money apps. Let's talk about money apps. Now, money apps are apps that are able to allow you diversify your income, especially as an entrepreneur. So, if you're looking for apps that are going to have key investment opportunities in them while you save money as well, and also kind of curtail your spending, then these apps are for you. I use Piggyvest. There is also Cowrywise, and Cowrywise is amazing because they give out amazing money tips, especially on their Instagram page. If you follow them, they have several financial tips, and they're just your go-to, trust me. So there's Piggyvest, there's Cowrywise, and then there's KoboPay. Now each of these apps also have amazing investment opportunities and partner opportunities that allows you diversify your income and have your income work for you while you're in the comfort of your home. So during this entire lockdown season, if business is not going as usual in cases like this, and you have investments running on these apps, you're able to receive monthly profits with time, okay? Without basically having to step out of your house or worrying so much about your business going down the drain, okay? All right, so I've literally talked about 7 categories of apps, from the graphic and design apps to the video editing apps, photo editing apps, social media control apps. We've talked about productivity apps, meditation apps, and money apps. Now these apps, if you're able to use them right, are going to give you opportunity to increase your productivity in your business or in whatever it is that you do as an entrepreneur or a content creator, or as a person generally, especially if you're working from home at this time, okay? That would really help as well. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this content. You get to see a lot more content. I have contents grouped into playlists, so you're able to not miss your way when you're on my channel. Just click on the playlist and you have different contents that meet your needs. My name is Amazon. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.